इस अंक में हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का और पार्ट का डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन बीपीएससी 71st क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 और पार्ट study the figure 3 study the figure 3 and table 2 which reflect data from data from 7 ton of a country C in the year 10. Answer the questions given below. From figure, proportion of married population so R S 11%, Y 15%, X 16%, V 10%, T 21%, and Z 11%. Then second table, 7 tons total married population, R 16%, S 11%, Y 15%, X 16%, V 10%, T 21%, and Z. And last ton divorced population in percent में दिया हुआ X 38%, Y 52, Z 42, R 51, S 49, and 46 58. So this is the our result from figure. So in this question we say that fully data proportion of population in 7 village. यहाँ पर town, ये इंग्लिश वॉल्यूम 1 में town, similarly X, Y, Z, R, S, T, V, और next 38%, 52%, Z, R, S, T, V. So वॉल्यूम 1 पेज नंबर 119 इसमें आपको दिया हुआ है. So in this question first question, find the number of married people in town S if devoted population of town X is 1 to 160. Find the number of married people in town S. टोन एस का निकालना है, दिया हुआ है एक्स के बारे में. सो कीप इन माइंड टोटल पॉपुलेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 और पार्ट. लेट total proportion of married population in 7 towns in 2010 equals to P. According to question, town X total married proportion percent equals to 16 from pie chart. Then total number of married population from town X equals to 16% of P, so 16P upon 100. Again, from table 2, total divorced population percent equals to 38. Then total divorced population from town X equals to 16P upon 100 into 38 upon 100. This is the equation 1. According to question, total divorced population of town X equals to 1 to 160. This is the question. From 1 and 2 we have 16P upon 100 into 38 upon 100 equals to 1 to 160. So P equals to 12160 into 100 into 100 upon 16 into 38. So operation is done by calculator, 2 lakh. Married population percent of S town equals to 11. So total married population of town S equals to 11% of 2 lakhs 22,000. So this is our result. Next, find the ratio of divorced population in town T to the divorced population in town Z. Let total proportion of married population in 7 towns in 2010 equals to P for town T married population percent of town T equals to 21 and divorced population percent of town T equals to 46. So total number of divorced population equals to 21% of 46% of P. P into 21 upon 100 into 46 upon 100. This is the equation 1. Similarly for town Z. Similarly for town Z. Married population percent equals to 11 and divorced population percent 42. So total divorced population of town Z equals to 11% of 42% of P equals to P into 11 upon 100 into 42 upon 100. This is the equation 2. Required ratio P into 21 upon 100 into 46 upon 100 P into 11 upon 100 into 42 upon 100. So 21 into 46 upon 11 into 42. 46 upon 11 to 23 upon 11, 23 ratio 11. This is the required result. Third, if the number of married in town R is 32,000, then what will be the divorced population of town Y? First of all, keep in mind total married population of town R equals to 30,000 and total married population percent of town R equals to 32, 16. Hence 16% equals to 1% equals to 200. Total married population percent of town Y equals to 15%, then total married population of town Y equals to 15 into 2000, 30,000. Total divorced population percent of town Y equals to 52. So total divorced population of town Y equals to 52% of 30,000. Operation is done by calculator. 51600. If in the year 2011 married population of town Y and V increased by 10% each, and percentage of divorced population remains unchanged for all the town, then find the divorced population of town V in the year 2011. Given that married population of town Y in the year 2010 was 30,000. अब यहाँ से हम लोगों को उल्टा आगे बढ़ना है. सेम वर्क एच सी, वर्क एच सी. In year 2010, total married population of town Y equals to 30,000 and total married population percent of town Y 15. Hence 15% equals to 30,000. 1% equals to 2,000. Then according to question, married population percent decreased by 10 in year 11. So total married increase increased by 10%, increased by 10%. So total married population of town V equals to total married population percent of V equals to 10 and total married population of town V equals to 10 into 20, 20,000. Then according to question, married population percent increased by 10%. So total married population in ton V equals to 110% of 20,000 equals to 20,000, 22,000. According to question, divorced population percent remain unchanged, that is 58%. So total divorced population of ton V equals to 58% of 22,000. 12760. So this is required result. And last, if in the year 12 the married population of town R increased by 10, while that of town Z reduced by 5% as compared to that in 10, and the divorced population percentage remains unchanged for all town, then find the approximate ratio of divorced population of town R to divorced population of town Z for year 12. Total married population together 7 ton equals to P in 2010. Total married population of R equals to 16%. So total married population of R 16% of P, 16P upon 100. According to question, questions, 10% increases So total population, total married population (10% of 16p upon 100). That is 16p upon 100, 110 upon 100. But divorced population remain unchanged. So total divorced population in 12, 16p upon 100 into 110 upon 100 into from figure 51%. That is 51%. 51 upon 100. This is the equation 1. Similarly, photon, photon jet total divorced population equals to 11p by 100 into 95 by 100 into 42 by 100. This is the equation 2. Required ratio 16p by 100 into 110 upon 100, 51 by 100. 11p upon 100 into 95 by 100 into 42 by 100. So 16 into 110, 51 upon 11 into 95 into 42. 16 into 10 into 51 upon 95 into 5 into 42. 16 into 2 into 14 into 3. 3, 3, 2, 7. 16 into 17 upon 19 into 5. तो 63 13/272 272 ratio 133. According to question, 2:1 approximate, because 133,272 divided, so 2 point something upon 1, that is approximately according to question, but only ratio so this is the last question. ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन क्लास करना चाहते हैं तो दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके जुड़ सकते हैं। पीटी में मैथ और रीजनिंग में कोई समस्या हो तो उसके लिए पीटी में 10 नंबर और यहीं से एग्ज़ाम के लिए बेस बनता है, तो उसका सुबह और शाम में 5 PM और 10 PM में डीआई का, और मैथ का उसे ठीक पहले 4 PM और 9 PM में मैथ का क्लास कर सकते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय बिहार।